Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Xbox model and signing into your Microsoft account. This gives you access to the Design Lab. Once done, collect your color palette and any logos or text you want. This saves time during customization. Next, open the Xbox Design Lab on your PC or console browser and select the controller type you want to personalize. Make sure your payment method is set and your shipping address is correct so you can complete the order without delay. You now move into the detailed customization stage. Pick the base shell, backplate, bumpers, and D-pad colors because these determine the controller's overall look and ergonomics. Then add custom text or engraving, choose finishes, matte or glossy, and decide on thumbstick styles. Once that's done, rotate the 3D preview to inspect seams and check button labels and mapping. Make sure color contrast keeps buttons legible. If you want symmetry, mirror options help. If not, iterate until you're satisfied. You finish by reviewing the order summary, confirm shipping, taxes, and the estimated delivery date, and apply any promo codes before choosing warranty options. Once everything looks correct, place the order and save your confirmation number. If the checkout fails, make sure to clear your browser cache, try a different browser or device, and confirm your payment method isn't blocked. If problems persist, contact Xbox Design Lab support with screenshots and your order draft for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.